how to search car rentals on kayak.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up any browser and head over to kayak.com. In the home page, tap on cars option, and then now you need to put in your pickup where you want to drop off, and then just put in the dates and then just hit search. Now you can see filters option at the top. You can tap on it and then you can choose the one according to your budget, and then you can set the price as well, choose the number of passengers, transmission method, and car features, and the location if you want to pick up from airport, city, and just tick on your destination where you want to call for pickup, choose the policies that you want. So there are various options that you can set, and then you can tap on like show results, and then you can choose from the results. You can tap on view deal and then book your deal. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.